Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a Python package which allows you to download the website locally for offline use. So if you have basically a web page or website that you want to download locally for offline use, with if you want to visit that website without internet connection, then there is a specific module that you can target to download the entire website locally inside your system. It will download all the source code, including the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript source code locally inside your machine. So here you can take any sort of website which runs locally in the front end without server side. Let's suppose I take this website, for example. I specifically target this HTML web page. I copy the address here. So it's a front end website. As you can see, when I click the generate, it clicks and it generates the random password. So this application works on the client side. So what we can do is that I can simply paste the address here. So what it will do, it will go to this website and download the entire source code inside the locally. So if I just execute the Python script here, you will see it will create the folder on the left hand side. It will target the necessary URL, and you can see it has web page saved successfully. So if I try to open this, you will see all the JavaScript, all the images which are used, all the icons. If you see, this is your HTML file. This is the main file here, the HTML file. So we can target this and open it right in the locally. So you can see we are running it locally here. So we downloaded the entire web page here. This was there on the website, but we actually downloaded this using this Python module. So if I click generate here, you will see again it is the application is running properly here. You can see as I click the generate button, because this application runs on the client side, that's why, as you can see, this is random password generator. So essentially we copied this application. You can change the design, and in this way you can target websites and download the entire websites for offline use. So it's a very good package. Let me just show you the package name, which is pywebcopy. So if you go to the website documentation, so just search for this package, which is pywebcopy. This is essentially this package name. uh, Python library for to cloning or archive pages for sites from the internet. So the command is simple. You simply install this package. I have already installed it, and they have a nice little documentation. I have given the script in the description of the video, so I will show you step by step how to actually make this. So the very first step you need to do, you just need to create a app.py file. Let me also delete this. So just create a app.py file, and then necessary packages, just import this from pywebcopy. We need to import the method here, which is save web page, and then we need to also import the operating system module, and then here you need to mention the URL that you want to download. So this can be anything. So let me copy the necessary URL that I need to download. So then you basically provide the location where it should download. So we are providing our base folder. So whatever is your path name, simply copy this. So I'm just providing the parent folder path here like this, and this will be the folder name created, and then this is a full path, operating system path, join base folder and project name. And then it will create this directory here by using this function operating system make directory, and then project folder exist okay to true. And then we use this module here, or method save web page, and here it takes some arguments. First of all, the URL. that it needs to download. Secondly, we also pass the project folder, what project folder it will create. So pass this variable, and then what is your project name. So we initialize this project name as well, so we just need to pass this as well. And lastly, we also need to pass open in browser. So you need to open this in browser. I will set it to false and delay to none. So if you want to also put some delay, you can put, but I will put none. These are default options. After that, it will download in the background, and then you can simply save. Just give it a notification that web page saved to, like this. That's all the code. If I once again execute this, so there is no kind of limit here. You can target any website and download locally using this package, and this allows it very much easy to clone any website. You can clone the design. Just look at the code. You can see all the HTML code will be there for you. You can see the logic, how they developed this random password generator website, and this is very useful. You can even see the all the styles that they have used as well, the CSS code. So this is really useful for troubleshooting any sort of application on the internet. You can see the design, you can see the style sheet, JavaScript code as well, HTML code as well. So this was the nice little package. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please hit that like button, subscribe the channel, and also visit my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools.